Hi all, today we are going to see about the lecture video series. This lecture video series consisting of NumPy and SciPy for OKR goals. First we will see NumPy. NumPy and SciPy is an open source model which is a common mathematical technique. That is scientific pi and numerical pi will be said. It has a functionality of software like MATLAB will be used. And numerical Python packages provides arrays, matrices of numerous number of data. A scientific Python packages which provides algorithm like minimization, portrait transformation, regression, and other applications which has been scientifically proven theoretical thing which can be applied in it. This is NumPy and SciPy example. Next we have a linear algebra. The linear algebra consisting of matrix inversions, decomposition, fast Fourier transforms, masked array, random number generators. Linear algebra consists of matrix inversion and decomposition, fast Fourier transformations. That terms called masked array. You are going to generate numerous number of random number, and we have from the rich set of numerical data, and it will be very fast. And it continuously looping unnecessary, it loops most unnecessary, and it works on entire array. This is the working condition of NumPy. Whereas the NumPy basically is ND array, which ND array is a n-dimensional homogeneous elements of array. These elements can be simpler or of same data type. Moreover, this n data array consisting of a C-type data structure. This algorithm works faster in data types. That's nothing but this algorithm uses data type like integer, float. That's called as universal function. This universal function is nothing but element by element function objectives. For example, when we take an example of an array, we are going to have a variable name a, which is numpy.array is nothing but your 20, 30, 40, and 50 values. Where variable b consists of 10 into numpy of sin a is nothing but it will getting into the sin values of 20 into 10, that's 9.12. Sin values for 30 into 10 is nothing but 9.88. Similarly to that, we'll be giving the data, we'll be asking the sign. This sign is nothing but a sign is a predefined sign value. This is a predefined sign value that is being used in the universal function values. Next we'll be using the term called NumPy array. That is, we already said it's an arbitrary structure, or that is the arbitrary structure which we use as data type. That is, every dimension of NPy array or the dimension is going to stepping a fixed number of bytes to the memory. That is, dimension starting by step-by-step procedure, step-by-step fixed number bytes of memory will be used. If it is contiguous, then strips are pre-compute. That is, we will be using indexed formula for computing pre-computed devices using if the memory is contiguous. Always the index will be starting at 0. Then dimensions are called as axis. That is, 3 cross 2 means the 3 is a row and 2 is a column. Okay, this is example. That's called as header. That's called ND array, and that's called as array scalar. This graph plots will be considered to be header. Next, this header is a data type in which it is a data scalar will be there. Next, there is ND array. This ND array consists of shape. From the shape, as we already noticed that there's a term called dimensions. These dimensions are called as axes. Okay, let's see an example of this. First you are going to create, that is, first thing is you are going to create an array which of 0, 1, array values of 0, 1, 2, 3. Here index value of array 0 is 0, 1, 0 is 0, array of 0 is 0, array of 1 is 1, array of 2 is 2, and array of 3 is 3. Always index value start from 0. Next, we will be typing of array, when we check this, it will be in the type of it gives the values array. Next, a.d type of int 32, that is, it is array of d types of integer, it is integer type, so it reforms the int data. Next, how much items are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, so it gives the number of items 4. Next, you have shape, that is tuple listing is something of 4, and shape of a, it gives the values 4. Next, the size reports the number of elements. That is, when 4 says that a dot size or size of a, it's both the same thing. It says how many elements of an array is it will give the value 4. In case if you have this term called set, you have 1, 3 means it will give a value of -1. So we'll be adding the values of a of 1 is nothing but we are going to have adding values -1. This is a NumPy of array. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.